Tired of blurry, awkwardly cropped self-timer photos? I'm going to show you how to take perfect self-timer photos on your Sony a7 IV, whether you're shooting solo or wrangling a whole group. First, let's set up the self-timer on your Sony a7 IV. Navigate to the drive mode settings, usually found in the camera's menu or accessed via custom button if you've set one. Now, choose your delay. You'll typically see options like 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds for group shots. 10 seconds gives everyone enough time to get into position for self-portraits. Experiment with different timings to find what works best for you. Want more than one shot? Dive deeper into the settings. Some self-timer modes allow for continuous shooting, also known as burst mode. This takes a series of photos, increasing your chances of capturing the perfect expression. Before hitting that shutter, consider your composition. Use the environment to frame your shot. Position yourself or your group in a visually appealing way, using leading lines or interesting backgrounds. Time for posing tips. For group photos, encourage interaction, laughter, natural gestures, and variations in height. Create a more engaging image for self-portraits. Experiment with different angles, expressions, and props to tell a story. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can ditch the blurry messes and start capturing amazing self-timer photos with your Sony a7 IV. Now go out there and create some memories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Sony a7 IV tips and tricks.